A dream for some prospective homeowners, having a house with a view of a salt marsh and all the wildlife that goes with it.
Or having a house. But salt marshes are fragile, which is why biologists and land trusts have been working to preserve them, especially important now because they act as barriers against storms and tides that we experienced in the last 30 days.
News Center Maine's David Guilford visits the latest conservation effort in York County.
A lot of people would like to build on this land in York, except nothing but the trees will put down roots from here on out.
In York and Cumberland counties, we have about 38% of Maine's 1.3 million population.
A growing population and shrinking land. Carl Strohmeyer works for U.S. Fish and Wildlife and the Rachel Carson National Wildlife Refuge based in Wells. They just took stewardship of 47 acres of valuable field and marsh along the northern edge of the York River.
I love the marsh in the winter.
Amelia Nadillo directs the York Land Trust, which, along with the Maine Coast Heritage Trust, raised enough money to buy this picturesque property.
The view is amazing.
Keeping it looking like this for the long term.
We would be likely seeing a lot of homes by protecting our forest fields, marshlands, and waterways. We're keeping it. We're adding to the scenic appeal of this community.
Adding to the appeal and adding protections against climate change through marsh migration.
It's having space for the marsh to move towards in upland areas as we see rising sea levels and more frequent flooding.
So it goes down pretty far.
It's a conversation we had exactly 1 year ago at other marsh projects in southern Maine that are vital to keeping storms at bay.
With storms, they would fill up very rapidly. There would be nothing to help hold the sea back.
Now, here, instead of condos, an endangered VIP of this land, the salt marsh sparrow, will have free reign.
It's quite a special bird.
In York, David Guilford, News Center, Maine.